guys. Ayan, meron akong i-unboxing. I am so excited of this guys. Ayan, buksan natin. Ayan, ito kayo yung in-order ko na ano guys. Oh my god. Charan! Look guys, ayan. Dumating na yung aking in-order guys. In-order ng swimsuits. I really love it. The color blue guys. Look. Ayan, parang ang ganda niya. Ayan guys. Ayan, pack na siya, guys. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to wear this. Ayan, oh. Parang ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. I-fit ko na to ngayon. So, let's go. I wanna fit this, guys. Ayan. Abangan nyo, guys. Abangan nyo yung aking pag-fit nito. Ang ganda-ganda. OMG. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. Grabe, ayan, excited na ako guys. So, let's go. Ayan, ipipit na natin siya guys. Ipipit na natin. Ayan, guys, this is it. Ayan, a very nice one set guys. Ang ganda na siya guys. So, yung kanyang likuran. Ayan, medyo nag-shape na nga yung aking likuran guys. Ayan, kunting exercise pa. Ayan. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, one of my favorite color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. One of my favorite color. Ang ganda niya pala. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan, sakong-sakto lang sa akin. Ayan po. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to fly, guys, for my vacation. Ayan, ang ganda nito pang beach, guys. Ayan, for only 350 pesos, guys. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, medyo kinulang lang tayo, guys. Medyo kinulang lang tayo sa harapan. Ayan. O, diba? Pack na pack siya, guys. I really love it. Pack. Ayan yung kanyang likuran. Ayan. Ang ganda. I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. Yung shape na yung aking likuran, guys. O, diba? I really love it. Ayan. Pat. Ayan. Ang ano mo rumampa, guys. Ayan o. I really love that blue color. Ayan. So, tuwan-tuwa na naman ako sa aking order, guys. Ayan o. Worth of 350 pesos. I really love it. Ayan. So, ayan. That's it for today. Ayan, guys. So, that's it for today. Another color naman yung bubuksan natin, guys. Dahil 2 pieces yung aking in order. Ayan.